Welcome to our eco-sustainable home in Gundaroo, powered by solar and lots of love. The eco lifestyle is really important to us. It signifies the way we grew up. We're really grateful and we want our kids to experience that as well.
And that means living lighter every day and giving back to the environment in innovative and sustainable ways.
Like using sensor lights from beacon lighting. Using sensors to automatically turn on our lights only when motion is detected helps us save so much energy and our power bill. It also means we don't forget to turn off the lights when we leave the room.
Plus, they're super convenient when your hands are full and you don't have to look for a light switch. Saving energy isn't rocket science, it's child's play.
We're aware of our impact on the environment and we know we can minimise it by doing a few simple things around the house, like reducing our energy consumption. It's good for the planet, our future and our children's future.
So we hope you can join us living the simple life, living brighter together.